Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience with Visible. Visible offers wireless service powered by Verizon's 5G and 4G LTE network. This means you're leveraging the extensive coverage of one of the largest networks in the US. They operate on a prepaid model, which can be advantageous for budget-conscious consumers. There are a couple of different plan options to choose from, allowing you to select the features and price point that best suits your needs. Currently, they advertise unlimited data, talk, and text. A standout feature of Visible is its Party Pay system, which allows you to join groups and share the cost of your plan, potentially leading to significant savings. This system essentially allows you to team up with friends or even strangers online to reduce your monthly bill. It's a unique approach to affordable wireless service. Visible also promotes its ease of use and setup. They highlight the ability to manage your account entirely through their mobile app, making things like billing and support readily accessible. The entire sign-up process is designed to be quick and straightforward, allowing you to get connected quickly. In addition, they often run promotional deals with various device offers, so it's worth checking their website for the latest discounts on phones when you sign up for a new plan. They also offer the option to bring your own compatible device. This can be a fantastic way to save money if you already have a phone you're happy with. Be sure to verify compatibility on their website before making the switch. Overall, Visible aims to provide a simple, affordable, and convenient wireless experience. They leverage Verizon's network to deliver reliable coverage and offer a distinctive Party Pay option to keep costs down. If you are looking for a flexible, budget-friendly plan with the power of Verizon's network, Visible might be worth considering.